The race to develop and deploy operational drone carriers is heating up, with several nations making significant strides in naval innovation. Countries like China, Turkey, the UK, the US, Iran, Spain, and Brazil are all in the mix, each seeking to enhance their maritime capabilities by incorporating drone technology. This trend reflects the evolving nature of naval warfare and signifies a strategic shift towards remote warfare capabilities. Perhaps the US Navy should field a new type of ship to complement its supercarriers, the drone carrier. The US Navy is currently the country with the most supercarriers, the latest of which is the Gerald R. Ford-class supercarrier. The US Navy plans to build up to 10 more Ford-class carriers. The first aircraft carrier, the USS Gerald R. Ford, is currently in active service and will soon be followed by the USS John F. Kennedy CVN-79. The rest are still under construction. The Gerald R. Ford-class supercarrier is the world's largest and most expensive warship, costing $13.3 billion. Drone carriers can be smaller and cheaper than traditional aircraft carriers. They can also be more flexible and combine naval air operations with other missions. These drone carriers deploy combat power at lower cost and with fewer crews. A drone carrier fleet could help alleviate a major strategic problem for the US Navy. The US Navy could consider using some of its existing amphibious ships as drone carriers. The TCG Anadolu is the world's first drone carrier and the largest warship in the Turkish Navy. Measuring an impressive 231 meters in length and 32 meters in width, it is not just a vessel. It's a floating platform for innovation, capable of carrying up to 30 aircraft, including drones, helicopters, and warplanes, making it a game-changer in modern warfare. In a significant milestone on November 19, 2024, the Bayraktar TB3 drone made history by successfully taking off from the TCG Anadolu's 12-degree inclined ramp during sea tests. The TB3 conducted a 46-minute test flight before executing a flawless landing back on the short deck, all without any landing support equipment. The Bayraktar TB3 has made its mark as the world's first armed unmanned aerial vehicle capable of operating from short-deck ships like the TCG Anadolu. This technological advancement opens new possibilities for naval warfare, allowing for rapid deployment of drones directly from the ship's deck. China's newly launched Type 076 amphibious assault ship has been officially confirmed as designed to function as a drone carrier. The Type 076 is equipped with an electromagnetic catapult system. This advanced technology will facilitate the launch and recovery of a diverse range of drones, including both combat and reconnaissance platforms. To support its drone operations, the ship is outfitted with dual elevators that streamline drone movement to and from the flight deck. This dual elevator system is essential for maintaining high-volume air traffic, which is crucial for effective mission execution in scenarios with multiple simultaneous deployments. Among the various drones compatible with the Type 076, the GJ-11 is an ideal candidate for carrier operations. The GJ-11 combat drone is characterized by its stealth features and cutting-edge design. This drone is intended for a range of missions, from intelligence gathering to precision strikes, thereby enhancing the overall combat capability of the Type 076. The Royal Navy is embarking on a transformative journey with its future maritime aviation force, which aims to revolutionize naval aviation. HMS Prince of Wales aircraft carrier is being used as a test bed for drone systems, with the goal of becoming a drone carrier. The ship has already successfully launched and recovered various drones. The Royal Navy plans to install catapults and arrestor systems to launch and recover larger drones. One of the most significant advantages of drones is their cost-effectiveness compared to traditional stealth jets. In an era where military budgets are often constrained, drones offer a feasible alternative, providing similar capabilities at a fraction of the cost. Moreover, drones can be deployed in various missions, such as reconnaissance, surveillance, and strikes, allowing the Royal Navy to maintain operational readiness, even if crewed aircraft resources are limited. The future is bright, and the implications of this transformation will undoubtedly shape naval operations for years to come. Spain is exploring exciting advancements in military technology by looking to adapt its aircraft carrier, the Juan Carlos I, for drone operations. Airbus and Navantia recently signed an agreement to integrate the Surtap drone into the Juan Carlos I. The fixed-wing drone is anticipated to offer new functionalities and enable a broader range of missions. This transition comes as many Navy fleets worldwide recognize the importance of unmanned systems. For Spain, incorporating drone operations into its naval fleet could significantly extend the lifespan and relevance of the Juan Carlos I, making it a more versatile asset in various defense scenarios. Iran is not far behind in this technological race. Their Shahid Bagheri warship is noted for its substantial capabilities, featuring a 180 meters long runway specifically for drone operations. This warship can carry multiple squadrons of drones and helicopters and a stockpile of cruise missiles. Notably, it possesses an impressive range, capable of traveling up to 22,000 nautical miles without refueling, allowing extended deployments far from home ports. Brazil is transforming its Atlantico helicopter carrier into a platform capable of supporting drone operations. Brazil is set to embark on an exciting new chapter in its defense capabilities as it prepares to test domestically produced unmanned aerial systems aboard its helicopter carrier. This initiative, led by Stella Tecnologia, represents a significant step in enhancing Brazil's technological independence and operational versatility within its naval forces. The unmanned aerial systems in question are designed to provide various functionalities, including intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance operations. By deploying these unmanned systems from naval vessels, Brazil aims to improve situational awareness and tactical decision-making in maritime operations.